This 2022 Forest River Cherokee 294BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Slideout, water heater, microwave, Skylight, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, air conditioning, leveling jacks, external shower, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee 294BH is 7,802 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.